So, guys, if you are a TikTok creator and probably your country is in a region where you cannot join the Creator Rewards program, I don't know if you know what the Creator Rewards program is. The Creator Rewards program is a program where you join and TikTok gets to pay you for your content. The good thing about this is that you don't need a VPN. You don't need a VPN. You don't need a foreign phone number. No. All you need is just your data, your attention to this video. Watch this video to the very end so you don't miss any step. Because if you miss any step, you might still end up creating a TikTok account that still, the region is still showing your country. Yes. But the aim for this video, the aim for this process is for you to be in your home country and create a foreign TikTok account. Yes, a foreign TikTok account in a country that is eligible for Creator Rewards program. Yes, so that is the aim for this video. Just like I said, you don't need VPN, you don't need anything to tamper your location, nothing at all. All you need is your phone, your data, and your attention to this video. Let's go right there, guys. Let me show you how you can create your own foreign TikTok account from your home country, from your house, from your bedroom. Yes, let's go. Let's go over to TikTok, guys. And when you get to your TikTok, you go over to your profile and then you click on the three arrows up. Yeah, you can see it. Then look down, you will see settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy and then you get this interface. Then you scroll down to switch account. Yes, look at it. You click on switch account and then you click on add account. This is like you creating a new account. Then you look down there, you would see Nigeria. That's my country where I am currently located at. So when you click on it and then you pick any country of your choice you want to have their TikTok account. For me today, I want to create a UK TikTok account. So I will just type in the United Kingdom. Yes. So you can look down there, you will see that my region has changed to the United Kingdom. Look at it over there. The arrow is pointing at it. It's in the United Kingdom now. Then next I will click on use phone number or email. I just clicked on it and I will add my birthday. I'll add in my birthday. I'm doing that. This is it. So 20th September. This is not like I'm creating it for a client. So this is not like my real birthday. So after that, you skip the phone number and click on email. Do you understand? You type in the email you want to use. So guys, I'm just typing in my email like so. And after inputting your email, you click on continue. This is it. You click down there and continue. And then they will send a code to that email. So we'll go over to my email to get that code. Also, make sure that the email you're using is a new email. You've not used that email for TikTok before. So, guys, my code is ready. Look at it over there. So I will copy my code and then I'll paste it right here. I'll paste it right here and it's loading up, guys. Just like I said before, make sure it's an email you've not used to create TikTok accounts before. So right now, I will go ahead and create my password. You have to create a strong password that has 8 characters, one letter and one special character. Yeah, to avoid hackers getting into your account. I finally created a stronger password. You can see everything is checked. Next, it's requesting I create my nickname. This is the name that will appear on my TikTok account. So you can use any name of your choice. It must not be your real name. You can use your stage name or whatever your TikTok account is all about. So I just used Queen. That's my client's name. So finally, our TikTok account is ready, guys. Look at that. Look at that. This is it. This is it. You can see the account. You can see Queen. Everything is ready like so. So next, for us to confirm it's a UK TikTok account, you click on the three dots again, click on settings and privacy, then you scroll down, you click on accounts, then you click on account information, like so. Then guys, look at it, account region, United Kingdom. Yes, guys. So this confirms that this is a UK TikTok account. You can see the account region is United Kingdom. Next, we'll go over to TikTok shop. We'll go over to TikTok studio to see if we can also, you can also add your bio if you want. This is like setting up your account. So for us to also confirm that this is a UK TikTok account, we will be going over to TikTok studio, guys, to see our creator rewards program, because that is another thing that will tell us, okay, this is actually a UK TikTok account. So guys, we will scroll down, then look at it over there, guys. It's real. Look at it, creator rewards program. I just clicked on it. It's loading up. Let's see what we have there. Okay, guys, finally it's here. Look at it. You are so close to joining creator rewards program. Collect reward for your 1 minute plus videos, more rewards for quality content, monetize with other top creators. To join, you must be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So, guys, these are the things you need, the requirements you need for you to be eligible to join the creator rewards program, and TikTok will automatically start paying you for every videos you make that are up to 1 minute plus. They won't pay you for videos below 1 minute. They will only pay you for videos that are up to 1 minute and above. So guys, this is just a simple step on how to create a UK TikTok account and start making money and start monetizing your account from regions that are not eligible. Also, after creating your account, you have to leave it for like 1 week before you start posting on it. All right, guys, please, if you find this video helpful, do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.